passed him.
What's going on YouTube? 65 Rider here. Coming back to you with another Twisty Road video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome, and if not, then welcome back and shout out to you for making your way back. For those of you that don't know me, I'm 65 Rider and I make motorcycle related videos on my 2020 Harley Street Bob. Today's video takes place right around September of 2021 in North Carolina. This was on the way back to Virginia from our trip to the Tail of the Dragon. On the way back, we decided to take the long way home through the Blue Ridge Parkway and wanted to check out one of North Carolina's best kept secrets, Buck Creek Road. This road was full of twisties, amazing views, and overall good vibes. It truly was one of my favorite roads to ride this far, maybe even more so than the Tail of the Dragon. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Oh, also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already.
There's a really sharp U-turn coming up.
Right after that, it's gonna be
I passed him. Huh? I was like, fuck that guy. There's a little bit of gravel on the road. Are you guys okay? Yeah.
Now it's a mini dragon, huh?
Yeah, it's really a mini dragon here.
I think this is probably as close to the dragon because they don't finish. Yeah.
Yep, there's a car coming. Yeah, it's beautiful.
And
أحلى من dragon. Because it's not that scary.
I think the dragon is only scary because of the
height.
name. Yeah.
Honestly, it was scary, bro.
It's scary too. Don't tell me this is scary.
Yeah.
This is actually scary. So.
Hey, there's a car coming. Car coming, you guys. Scenic. I can't even look at the scenes as I'm focusing on the fucking road.
Brown, I love this.
Yeah.
This shade of green just fucking gets. Oh, we can just stop there and drop our legs.
Yeah.
Geez, I don't like it's down eventually.
See how fucking far down that shit is?
You see the fucking towers?
Towers?
Towers. الطريق شكله كذا يمين يسار.
Oh shit, yeah, I just saw the map.
It looks like a fucking.
I think we lost the guys.
I mean, we are going faster, but we do want to enjoy it.
Yep. وحش الدورانجو. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
See Seattle, Jack, Seattle. Okay.
He's a beast.
Ice rain.
Sharp Huey. Yeah. Whoa.
We're gonna stop in a bit.
Okay.
I think it's Dating Place. Yep.
I think they're too far, bro. Yeah. At the traffic light. Shit. Is that Ahmed? Kind of look like him. Blue Ridge Parkway ahead. Should we wait for them here? Okay.
Let's wait for them here.
Okay.
Yes, here. Perfect. Oh, look at the bridge.
Oh yeah. Look at this view behind you. هذا وحش.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a chick.
What?
She's a beast.
Behind us the whole time?
Huh?
Were you behind us the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so fun.
You didn't see me?
No, I mean, I wasn't really looking behind.
Yeah. I had to overtake that fucking